Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the topic data science. How the Uber cab industry implemented the data science in the for satisfying the customer needs. So first of all, the data science is going to rule the world for the next 20 to 30 years. It's no doubts in that. So before that, what is data science? Data science, we're going to see with an example of suppose we need to buy the online applications, right? Amazon, Flipkart. We are looking for some product in the Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So after the 2 3 days, we are supposed to see some shoes or watches in the Amazon's or Flipkart. After 2 or 3 days, we can see the advertisement in your so we are need suppose we are watching the videos in the YouTube or any other Facebook, some advertisement will come, the whatever you have searched, it happens on because of the previous search history. So in that previous search history it will happen, so only because of this data science. So this happens because of Google track search history. So the with the help of Google track search history, so the data science will helping the particular product will again come under the as advertisement, or the customer can easily go with the link. It will pop up in their windows. So this be because of the data science that we call as Google track search history, the product will be appear here. So with the plenty of applications, the data science, e-commerce, Flipkart, then credit card fraud detection, etc. So we go with an Uber cab industry, how the using the data science for their solving the customer problem. So generally we can have the Uber car, the Uber search pricing. The generally the Uber car in the business, in the generally cab booking customers will have the problem. So they're in the busy time, or for example in the Monday morning, or in the heavy traffic, or in the weather conditions in the rainy seasons, the cab will be not get by the customers. So they're tracking the understanding the business problem with the help of data science. We are understanding the business problem to solve their problem with some with a solution. That is the main thing of data science. So first thing we can have in the Uber car industry, they're using the Uber search pricing to serve the cab at the time, so by the customer needed. First one is a business requirement, then they need the what are the cab will be arriving, the more drivers at the peak time will be came with the Uber search pricing. With the help of that algorithm, that will be satisfied by the Uber company to the customers. Second one thing is to go for with the data collection. We can have the history collection, holiday, traffic, etc. The next thing is the data cleaning. After that we need unwanted things will be cleaned. Then after that we need the data exploration and analysis. The data exploration is the collected data should be explored, and you have to analyze whether the given collected data is much better or not. So with the help of these things, the car industry Uber can have the solving their customer problems with the help of their business requirement collected data, that is data collection, data cleaning, and data exploration analysis. After then we need collected data. With this they can have the data modeling with the help of the past data and previous data and the future and current data. It will have the prediction of future data. So peak time will be they're providing more number of cab drivers to engage the customer. So that is a machine learning. So with the help of data modeling, the machine learning concept also apply here to predict the things. So the thousands of customer records will be carried out for the data modeling. Then data validation. Data validation is validating whether the collected data is a valid one or not. So data validation plays a major role. The next final thing is deployment and optimization. So deployment, we are collecting the different things. So we are after the collected the data, we have to deploy and optimization. So these from customer we can collect the customer feedback. From that feedback we can change our whatever the things you need to change, so that can be happen the deployment optimization method. So this is the last method. So something about we learned discussed about the data science, how the Uber using the data science in the industry to solve the problems and also satisfy the customer needs. Thank you.